So far today, one of my online stores has made over $180. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that. Now, this isn't going to be one of those, oh my God, I said I was going to do it and I did it kind of videos. That's tired, I've said it enough. And we all know that if you chase your dream for long enough, you're actually going to get it. Now, how did I do this with dropshipping? Yeah, dropshipping. I don't have the product, nothing. They pay me the money, send it to the supplier, product comes to them straight like that. How did I do this? Okay, with a brand new store I opened 4 months ago, store has done $1,000 in a day twice. It's amazing, bro. Now, how did I do it? The answer is I work hard as hell every day in, day out. See, most people only talk about the days where they win. Good days like this. There's a lot of bad days too. There's a lot of days where I make $0. And that used to be the standard until I realized why. My store can actually make money every day. So that should be the standard. Because my mindset is like that, holy shit, $180 in a day. And I'm not happy, bro, because the store has done 1K days. I can do it again. Now, I work hard. Okay, I know that's not enough sauce. Here's now how I actually did it. So, when you're running an online store, drop shipping, you probably expect people to just see your ad or your organic post, click the link in your bio or click the link on the ad and just buy the product. That works if you're selling some cheap BS, like, $20 products, $30 products from China. But if you're selling real products like mine that somebody's gonna use for months, high order values, like in that, hold up, I think it was $180 that order. So I made the store was on like 200 and something dollars today. Whatever, bro, same thing. I'm selling high average order value items, bro. And for that, you need to build trust with your customer. If you think someone's just gonna click on your ad, shop now and spend $400 like that, kiss those dreams goodbye. While it can happen, don't expect it to happen. Okay, a business doesn't grow on lucky days. You need to know what's doing well, why it's doing well, and then that tells you how you can make it do well over a long period of time, how you can make it do better, how you can scale it. Okay, so these 2 customers who purchased today did not discover me today. I've been talking with them for like 2 weeks, bro. Okay, you build the customer relationship over time. You build that trust over time. And both of these sales have come from African countries. African countries where payment on delivery is like the standard. And here they are sending me hundreds of dollars just like that online. They've never met me. They don't know me. They paid via the shop's name. So it's not like they paid me and they saw my name. Because of cultivating that trust, having good customer support. How did I learn how to do good customer support? It's so simple. Look at your competitors, bro. I DM'd my main competitor. I basically DM'd them as a customer, and then I asked them a lot of the questions people ask me, like pay on delivery, they ask me. So I asked them and I copied the response. How long does shipping take, etc., etc. And these guys, they're the biggest competitor in the niche. These guys are doing like $2 million a month. So why would I sit here in my house trying to think, oh my God, how can I do this? When there's somebody already doing it for me, selling in a different market. So I just need to copy what they're doing and do it for myself. And the same principle applies for the whole e-commerce process. Like, I'll drop a video talking about how I took another brand to $100 within 48 hours. Screenshot here. Just like the video. Let's get like 10 likes and I'm going to talk about that. The same principle applies throughout. Oh, both of these stores are completely organic, by the way. In case I forgot to mention that, I'm not running no ads. Alright? Bro, I'm getting so sidetracked. Look. Copying competitors is how you get ahead. Why would you reinvent the wheel? Somebody else is already doing it well, bro. Just like iPhone. They're always late to the party adding these new features, curving screen, I don't know what, 5G. Because they're just copying what the competitors are doing. Because when you want to test something new, you're taking on a lot of responsibility. You're bringing a new product to the market. If it fails, You're the one who's gonna find that out firsthand. Then you'll have to go through finding out, oh, why did it fail? What can I improve? You improve, it fails again. You tweak it a little bit. When there's already a working blueprint. So just copy the working blueprint. If by some stroke of luck you're able to find my store, copy what I'm doing, bro. Shit, I can't blame you. I copy what the competitor is doing. And I don't expect them to blame me because they copy what their competitor is doing, bro. The smartest people in the world steal. Ethical stealing though. Don't rob no one. But yeah, you take inspiration, bro. So yeah, that's really it. That's how I got the sales today. I have so many videos in the works, bro. I'm on a 90-day run, Q4. But I'm always working. So I guess I'm on a 365-day run, man. So I have so many videos in the tank. Like I saw, if you all show me love, bro, you'll give me some likes, some comments, some subscribers. I'm gonna keep dropping more sources. Y'all don't even gotta join the course for me to be motivated to drop YouTube videos, man. Just interact with the YouTube and I'll keep dropping free game. Trust me, I got time and I got the revenue to back it up, bro. Now, I mentioned the course. Yep, that's Stupid Commerce. That's my community where I host my A to Z dropshipping guide that got me from 0 to a 1K day on my first ever organic dropshipping store. But it doesn't just have organic source, it has paid ad source, it also has website building source, product research source. I'm about to add email marketing source because the course is constantly being updated. Not only is it constantly being updated, you get access to one weekly group coaching call. Spots are about to fill up, bro. The last call had like 10 people. So I think I'm actually just gonna stop accepting guys into the course. So you should join with the first link in the, or not even join, apply to join. Yeah, you gotta apply, bro, with the first link in the description. But until next time, my brothers, stay hard, keep grinding, and don't give up. Bro, scroll down on this channel, bro. You'll find videos where I wasn't making shit. I didn't know what is going to happen in the future. Everything was so uncertain. I was consistently losing money again and again. I have a whole playlist about it. And yet, I still stayed consistent in it. Despite all the hardships, I beat the odds. Man. Bro, so many crazy things are about to happen, bro. You see this shit, Lamborghini. You think it's impossible for an African to buy a Lamborghini? I'll show everyone.